or on total except previous one. This is the purchase order, and then good receipt note or material receipt note. We have two options in good receipt note: reference type with PO or without PO. We can make GRN both way. In GRN number will be system generated, get entry number, get entry date if any, challan number, challan date if any, vendor code, vendor name, vendor invoice number, vendor invoice date, or currency of GRN, then item and the quantity received, tax charge, discount which are applicable we can apply in grade. Then inspection and rejection. If we want to enter accepted and rejected quantity on the basis of visual inspection, we can put the details here: the PO quantity, received quantity, sample quantity, accepted quantity, rejected quantity, remarks, inspection by inspection advice. Now we are going to create a GRN for a particular vendor. So items, we take both these items, the received quantity, let's say 56, and this is 40, and the rate is 50, and this is 60. We have to select document series, add, edit, then any tax charge, discount which are applicable. VAT 5 we have select, on total value, modify, tax charge, discount, apply. Now we have to authorize this GRN. Now movement to store. Now we are going to move the item into store. And now in processing we will synchronize the data, voucher posting. As we synchronize, entries will pass on into the financial module of SAP Business One, general entry. As we see, the last entry is Vishal Mega Mart credit by 5460 amount, and 2 accounts will go to this and for VAT payable. These entries will go also in. On the basis of these, we can see the ledger of the particular party. This is the ledger of the particular party. All other financial features of the SAP V1 will be available with this, as aging of the business partners and general voucher entries, etc., which are available in business partner already. In transactions, next is in sales quotation. Quotation number will be system generated, business partner code to whom we are sending the quotation, payment term code, expiry date of quotation, delivery days after getting the order, how much delivery days we are required, currency of the quotation, then item list, how much quantity and how much rate we are quoting. If any tax charge and discount are applied, we can apply on this. This is the sales quotation. The next transaction is sale order. The orders got from customer will be entered in this screen. Sale order number will be system generated, order date, bill to customer, ship to customer, schedule type single or staggered. If it is staggered, we can define schedules. Then item list, rate and quantity we can define. Customer order number and order date we also can define in this screen. The next transaction is invoice. Invoice number again system generated, bill to customer address, ship to customer address, reference type no reference, with sole order or with pack slip, pay term of the party and currency of the invoice, and list of the items, quantity, rate and value. Tax charge and discount if any applicable we can apply on this. This is the invoice screen. Next, in inventory issue, we can issue for different purpose from this screen, as for production, as for stock transfer, for inventory or for subcontract, or no reference issue. Issue number, transaction number will be system generated, transaction type and reference document number on which basis we are going to issue, then the item and the warehouse code from which we are going to issue the material, and the quantity. And stock status we can select accepted, rejected or allocated. So this is the issue screen to issue the material for different purpose. Then return, we can return the material back to the store if it is excess at any stage. There are type for production return, sale return, inventory return or subcontract return or no reference return. The item, the warehouse in which we are going to taking back the material, and the quantity. So we can make material return for different purpose. This is the basic transactions in inventory. Next are the production transactions. First one is work order or production order. Work order number will be system generated, the item code for which we are going to generate work order, the quantity, the bill of material code which we are referring, and the process plan code which we are referring. Order date, on which date we are going to enter the order, due date, on which date material is required, and reference sales order if any, and customer name. On selection of process plan, the activity related to this work order will come in grid automatically. And in item details, the total input items and their quantity will appear in this screen. There are the two modes of the work order or production order: planned and released. Next is production reporting. Production reporting number again will system generated, order number for which we are going to reporting, order date, reporting date on which date we are reporting, item code, quantity, and shift. We can select shift, that in which shift what quantity is produced. In item details we can enter produced quantity, accepted quantity, rejected quantity. The next in transaction is quality check. If item is quality controlled, we can enter the details for quality check. The work order number, the reporting transaction number, item code, produced quantity, accepted quantity and rejected quantity, inspection by, inspection date we can enter, and get attribute code, the parameter detail on which basis we are going to inspect, measured by, we can enter the instrument name and actual values. We can enter up to 10 values for a particular measurement. This is all about transaction. Then inquiry, stock status. We can view the stock status for a particular item. System will show the item code, description, total quantity of the item, total accepted quantity, total rejected quantity, total held quantity, or total allocated quantity, and total value of the item. In this screen, system will show individual warehouse wise stock, accepted, rejected, held or allocated quantity, and the value in particular warehouse. If item is lot control and serial control, system will show the particular lot number detail and serial number detail also.
We have finished our second part of MISAP demo. Come to the third part of MISAP demo in next video.